Skip super in your child class init, and your inherited attributes just vanish. Silently. When you define an init method in a child class, Python won't automatically run the parent's init. Calling super.__i, nit__ explicitly tells Python to run the parent's constructor first. This ensures all attributes defined in the parent class are properly set up on your object before your child class adds anything on top. Without super, the parent's init never runs. Any attribute set there, like self.name or self.id, simply won't exist, and you'll only find out with an attribute error at runtime. When your parent init requires arguments, pass them through. super.__in, it__ accepts those arguments just like any regular function call. The real power is what happens after super. Your child class runs the parent's full setup first, then defines its own additional attributes on top. This parent first, child second order, ensures every layer of your object is properly initialized before you build on it. Super also handles multiple inheritance through Python's method resolution order, or MRO. When a class inherits from multiple parents, MRO determines the exact order each parent's init runs. Without super, you would have to manually call each parent in the correct sequence, and across a deep hierarchy that is nearly impossible to get right. Call super.__i nit__ to inherit your parent's setup, support argument passing, and stay MRO safe. Practice more questions like this on Interview Mentor. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.